Welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. Today, as you see, the garden is going to get a little bit of a cleanup. As you can see, my sunflowers have been spent. I kept them up so long because the birds just loved eating the sunflower seeds, so I just wanted them to have a place where they can come get another food source. But I'm going to plant some more sunflowers. I think I'll get another batch because here in Southern California it's still warm in the 80s and 70s, so I think the sunflowers will do well to go through a Halloween and a little bit of the fall, and then they'll be good to go, and that'll be it. My zinnias here have been going strong all season, but I'm gonna pull these out and clean out this bed as well. I did purchase some more zinnias, dwarf zinnias from the garden center, so I'm gonna replace them here. Well, it's been a long day and I have replanted some more zinnias, cut off the tops as I've done before in my previous video. I'll leave that up in the corner here in case you want to watch how I planted my last zinnias, and this is supposed to help them grow stronger. So looks like they're off to a good start. I did also replant some more sunflower seeds. If they germinate, that'd be great by Halloween. If not, that's okay too, but we're still warm here, so we should be okay. I also cleaned out this raised bed that had corn in it, and I do have pumpkins. As you can see, they're doing their thing here. Looks like some of them are starting to show up, so hopefully that'll open up and be germinated. Pollinated, excuse me. And I do have one over here that looks like it's a little farther along. I'm so surprised. I just happened to see it today, as you can see there. So hopefully, looks like that one was pollinated. So hopefully I get a pumpkin. That'd be exciting. But I'll keep you guys posted either way on the status of the garden. I have my chard that's been going strong ever since I put it in here. Just grows and grows, and I clip and cook. And just good times with that. As you can see, the lavender, so invasive, so it definitely is loving this hot climate. This is my asparagus, doing very well. I'm going to be eating off that next year. And I've had okra actually grow successfully. Looks like another one is starting to pop up here. See, it's flowering right there. So with okra, you want to get out here when they're about 1 inch tall or so you can get them before they get a little bit too oh, and I see a little one growing here, okra. So get them out here when they're about 1 inch or 2 long, and then go ahead and cut them and enjoy them, okay? And I see I have my peppers here. These are red peppers, so they're just, as you can see, they're almost there. That bright red is coming through that green, so I'll be cutting those off soon and eating them as well. And more Swiss chard. And I followed the almanac here and planted my peas. These are super sugar snap peas. They are amazing. So they looks like they're off to a great start. Hopefully they will be able to go up this trellis. And I do have these as well for support. And then more peppers in the back there as well. And I do have a watermelon here that is still not quite ready. As you can see, it's so green on the stem there. So I'm just waiting for that. And I found another one while I was down toting around here, and look at that. I have another watermelon that just got pollinated by the bees. The bees are always around here, so I'm not surprised, but that'll be a good, wonderful watermelon here because it'll be on the actual mulch and it won't have to worry about it being falling off the vine or anything. I'm excited about that one. But you can see, alright guys, here's a quick update on the sunflowers that I planted about 2 or 3 weeks ago. As you can see, they are on their way again for a fall growing season of sunflowers. We're still pretty nice and springy. It feels very spring-like here right now. We had a nice little rain last night, so they got free rain from the earth, which is always the best water for them. So as you can see, they are growing, and all of these sunflowers were here because the seeds dropped from the other sunflowers, and so I have a nice little sunflower patch. Most likely I'll thin them out or let them just go ahead and do what they're gonna do, you know. And then I have some here, and then I discovered I had some more watermelons that came out of nowhere. So as you can see, I have another one growing, and a little one just came up here. And the one I showed you guys earlier, look how big it is now. Isn't that amazing? Yep. And then I had no idea, but my zinnias also dropped seed, and now I have all of these as well. So I'm gonna have to thin them out, but in a way I feel like I just want to let them do what they're gonna do and then go from there. Here's a quick update of the peas. These are super sugar snap peas, my favorite pea. Nice and large and sweet. As you can see, I'm trying to train it to go up this trellis, and it's on its way. It's actually grabbing hold now with its tendrils. So just gonna train it to keep doing that up this large trellis, because this plant got so huge last year, and I was saying I should have planted it over here with this big trellis. This one, I have a trellis here. I'm just letting that one be on its own right here. And as you can see, I did also plant some late cucumbers, and I do have some coming up now. As you can see, you see that one right there, and then I have another one down here that I saw yesterday. There we go, there he is. And these are supposed to be really nice, so I thought I would try a different type as well. So there's the other one. But let me show you one last thing, one last update. The pumpkins, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Yep, I got a pumpkin, and I think I'm gonna have another one here too. Very happy about that. I didn't know if I would get any because it was so hot, but this weather seems to be ideal for them. And I believe these are the early morning. Yeah, these are the early sweet sugar pie. So hopefully I can make some vegan pumpkin pie out of them. But yeah, and over here, this one is just wandering, being free over here. And I see another one here as well. Hopefully it gets pollinated. That'd be cool. All right, there's your update. Thanks a lot for spending time with me. And I'm loving these sunflowers, and I'm so glad they're gonna be up and running again. So enjoy your planting season. If you're getting ready for your fall season like me, enjoy and happy growing. Bye-bye.